And we're live. Good afternoon, everybody. George Fokas from Fokas Beyond coming to you live. I'm at Perth with a small group of my new members and a couple of existing members. And what I'm doing here at the Perth Bootcamp is teaching these members how to generate cash flow from the stock market, irrespective of what the stock market does. Now, there are people out there who trade the stock market and who try to predict what the market's going to do and trying to make money on directional movements in the stock market. But what we teach is not about movements in the market. We are teaching to create the market for traders to play in the market. And just so you can see, some of my members that have been with me in this room who have been sort of new members or been with me for 12 months, some of their results and what they're generating. Now, I'm going to ask the question again in this room. Are we making money?
Yes.
Are we all making money?
Yes.
Yes. Is there anyone in here not making money? Right? So, I haven't put any guns to their heads to tell them not to say that, correct? Right, now, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to spin this around just so you can see and understand that most people, when it comes to the stock market, are scared of the stock market purely because of opinions of what they have, and most people have never invested on the stock market. But we teach people how to use the stock market as a vehicle, just like people use other strategies as a vehicle to generate cash flow. So I just want to share with you a couple of stories of what my members here are generating and doing in their accounts. And you're not just going to see the good, you're going to see the bad and the ugly as well, because it's not about, you know, we're picking all the right stocks and they're all going up and all that. And even though we're not trading direction and we don't care which way the market goes, we have positions right now that have gone down in value and we're still using those stocks to generate income off them. And that's what it's about. So let me do this. Let me flick this around. Aaron, I'm going to come to you first since you're here. You've got two trades, right? I'm just going to repeat it. Correct me if I'm wrong. You're sitting on one trade for about a year.
Correct, yep.
Okay, and that trade's gone down in value, but it's generated you income. What's it earned you?
10% so far.
10% over 12 months.
Exactly.
Yep, okay. What about the other trade you're sitting on?
For eight months, and it's done about 13% in 8 months.
13% in 8 months. Fantastic. Yep. Thank you. John, you've got two trades. Two live trades. So these are all live trades that we're showing. So it's not virtual or paper trades or dummy trades. These are live trades.
Yep.
One of them
in 10 days, 2.38%.
So 10 days, 2.38%.
And the other one, 12 days, 1.1%.
12 days, 1.1. Now, if we consider what the bank is paying in a year with our money that's sitting in a bank in a term deposit, do we all agree it's about 2% for the year, 2 to 3%? Yes. And the fact that you've done 1.1 in 12 days and the other one for
10 days, 2.3.
10 days, it's more than what a bank pays a year, correct?
Yep.
Now, Marie, I'm coming to you because you've got two trades like me that have gone down.
Yes.
That we're sitting on. Now, you've been with me for 15 months.
Yes.
And we won't talk about the ones last year because they're all good and they've made money. Let's talk about these two that have gone down.
Right.
How long have you had them for?
One for 9 months.
9 months?
But it still made me 6.93%, which is about 0.77% per month.
So 6%, 6.9
93% for the 9
months. And what about the other one?
And the other one made me 6.41% over 8 months.
So 6% again over 8 months on two stocks that have gone down in value, which we can't control.
Correct.
Correct? Derek?
Hi.
How are you, Derek?
Good.
Sorry to put you on the spot. Just go through a couple of the trades you've got.
Yep.
That I can just see on your little notes there because we've just analysed our statements.
Yep, so I've got one trade that I've got 1.5% for 4 weeks.
1.5, 4 weeks, yep.
1.9% for 9 days.
1.9 for 9 days, yep.
4.7% for 4 weeks.
4.7 for 4 weeks, that's pretty good, yep.
4.7 for 4 weeks again.
Yep.
2.1% for 4 weeks and 2.3% for 9 days.
2.3 for 9 days, mate. Well done. William, let me come over to you.
Yeah, sure. Look, I've got 3 trades here. One was 10 days.
10 days, yep. 3 trades, yep. One's
2.5.
2.5 for 10 days, excellent.
Days.
And that's, yep.
Another one there was that was actually 10 days, 0.98.
So 0.98, so just under 1% for 10 days.
Yeah, for 10
Yep.
days. Another one for 9 days, which got me 2.11%.
2.11 for 9 days.
Yeah.
So, folks, are we making money?
Yep.
Yes.
And there's money to be made, right?
Yep.
But do we all agree this is a very boring strategy? Can I ask a question? Because some people have seen me speak before and have heard me present. How long does it take for us to actually get into the market? How long does it take for us to click the buttons to have our money working for us from day one? Okay, don't say minutes, let's say 10 minutes, right? Because they're going to think that's not true. But do you agree within a few minutes to 10 minutes, we're in the market? But do you also agree that we're in the market and we're generating an income from day one, no matter what the market's going to do for the next 9 days, 10 days, 2 weeks or month?
Yes.
Yes? Correct. Awesome. Okay, so I'm back again. So let me ask you a question, folks. You're all taught to earn a return on investment at the end, meaning you put money into a bank, the bank pays you interest at the end. You go to your job, your employer pays you at the end. How many of you would like to see your money working for you from day one, where you get a return from day one up front on your investment from the stock market, no matter what the stock market does? Now, if that's something you're interested in, you know where to find me, focusbeyond.com, or on the Facebook page. By all means, make a note, make a comment, contact us. We'll talk to you. You can also be part of this community where you start to see your money working for you. Is that okay?
Yes.
Absolutely. I'm finishing off to continue teaching. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon and evening. Stay safe. I'll see you on the other side.